Just a quick tutorial to show you how to connect different nodes when using the pencil tool. So in Adobe Illustrator, you would normally just press the pencil tool and then the plus icon, and it would normally let you continue on with your nodes. Slightly different in Affinity Designer. So if you were to select both nodes, give me a second, you go up here and you select join curves. Doesn't really make sense since it's not a curve, but there you go, it's now one shape. So if we were to try and color it now, there we go, it's one shape. I have a background here because I normally don't use backgrounds, so excuse that. But if we go back, when that was separate, we selected both and we switched the colors, see, there's nothing there because they're not joined. So yeah, a little bit different compared to Adobe Illustrator, but that's how you do it in Affinity Design. Just be aware that if you do kind of have a weird, let's just choose that, kind of curved shape, for instance like this, it will, as it would in Adobe Illustrator, make the joins itself using the maths. So yeah, it can cause some issues if your alignment is slightly off. Like if we were to do something like that, you can see it hasn't quite aligned it. So just keep that in mind.